Hi, this is Rockin' Robin. We are at Universal Resort at the Dockside Inn. We are going to give you a room-only review. If you want to see the entire hotel, see our other video. Stay with us. So I'm not sure how many floors they have. We were on the 6th. I would say there was maybe 10 or 12, but it was very nice. You walk down the hall, you take an elevator right to your room and your floor, and then you use your card to get into the room. Now once you get in the room, you can see it's nice and bright and sunny. It's all new. Now this is the most inexpensive place to stay at Universal, and for the price it was very good. We paid $88, I believe, and that was very good. Now here you can see we had 2 double or queen beds, I forget. There was some nice pictures on the wall. I like that they had little lamps above the bed so you can read or play on your cell phone or do whatever it is you like. Everything was very clean. This little treasure chest over here, you could not open. It was just for decoration. You can put something on it. It's like a table. It was very nice. Here you can see the photographs, all dockside type photographs, pictures of the water. Very nice for Universal Orlando. You can see what it looks like. It's not huge. I will tell you that the walls are paper thin. You can hear all the noise when people unpack, come in the middle of the night. The TV is very large. There's a nice little sitting area, nice lamp, so if you want to sit there and read, it's perfect for that. The TV is very large, very nice. We'll show you a little bit more here. Now, you will see that there is no coffee maker, so if you want to make coffee, you cannot. There is a garbage basket, and over here, this is a little bench. Can't open this up either. If you could open up this in the chest, it would probably be better. You can store something or put something in there, but neither one can be open. You can sit on that. There's some drawers, and if you open this up, there is a little tiny refrigerator, which is good if you have some leftover food after you eat. You want to store it in there or bring a soda, so you always have drinks. You can get some ice, and there are some cups. There is some electricity if you want to charge items, and if you have 2 rooms, you can go from one room to the next. There's connecting doors, which is always nice. Now, the beds were semi-comfortable, not great, but they were okay. I mean, they weren't used for a long time because it's only been open since 2020, so not bad. And here is some more. Now, you put your card in there to put the electricity on when you first open the door. I did not know that, but that one it is right there. And I had 2 cards, so I left that in. And when I decided to leave the hotel, then I could take that out. You can see there was a mirror, and now let's take a look at the bathroom. Now, I liked that the sink was outside of where the toilet and the shower was, because somebody might want to shave, or they might want to brush their teeth while someone is in the toilet, wash their hands. They don't have to wait until they leave. You can do it all separate. 2 people can get ready at the same time. They have soap, and everything, like I said, was very clean and nice and new. Some Kleenex. There's the mirror. There is, if you want to do your hair, you want to blow dry it. Now we'll look a little bit more into the shower and the bathroom. Bathroom was just a typical toilet. What I liked about the showers, I liked the doors, and you know, you could take a shower and look out and watch the TV at the same time if you wanted to. So I did like that. I didn't like the fact that the walls were paper thin and that they had no coffee machine. Now over here, if you want to put your valuables in there, you can do that, and has some hangers, an iron, and an ironing board, which was very nice. Now there also is a little bit of a view. This was our view from the room. I thought that that was very pretty. It's nice to be able to see something. It was nice at night as well. So overall, I'm going to give this room a B. It's nothing special, but for the price, it's definitely worth it. You can get a lot of worse rooms in Orlando, but I really liked it. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a thumbs up. This is Rockin' Robin. Please remember to watch our other video on the hotel itself. I hope you have a good trip in Orlando, and consider the Dockside Inn at Universal Resorts Endless Summer.